Hello everybody, I am the Chubby Gourmet here in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And what I've got in front of me are freshly baked Mexican sweetbreads, as in this morning fresh baked. And we've got some that are chocolate, some with piña or pineapple, some with crema, strawberry. I'm really looking forward to sampling some of these. They look and they smell, the aroma is delicious. I think I'll start with the strawberry. Very good. Very fresh. I can tell it was baked today. I gotta try another one. This is the piña, pineapple. I like this one better. Very soft, not too sweet. Just sweet enough. Excellent. I'm gonna sample a couple of more because I just can't resist. This one looks like one big brownie. So I gotta try it. It is literally a big, sweet, not too sweet again. Perfect. Perfectly balanced brownie.
You gotta take a bigger bite than that.
Yeah.
You gotta take it like it's the most delicious brownie ever.
Take it.
I'm trying to be less chubby. That's addicting. I'll try a little of this other piña. Again, perfect balance. Not too sweet, just sweet enough. Very fresh. Well, I'm making a little puerquito of myself here, so what I'd like to emphasize is the reason this was so delicious. A great meal, a great dish starts with great ingredients. The ingredients they use here are fresh, no preservatives, not refined, and it comes across in the flavor, the texture of the pastry. So that is the reason why it is delicious. Also, the cost obviously is very economical here in Mexico. So it's a great deal. You're actually eating, well, as healthy as a pastry could be, to be honest, but that's why the flavor and texture is so good. It starts with the great ingredients. So stay tuned for what we got next. We're just beginning here. We got a lot more good stuff here in Puerto Vallarta. Hello everyone, we are still here in Puerto Vallarta. A beautiful evening here. We are at Tacos Light on Mandos, and we are going to consume authentic tacos here in Puerto Vallarta. We ordered some tacos asadas, we have some tacos tripa tripe meaning stomach, and a few other types that we'll share with you as we consume large quantities. So stay tuned. I'm about to try the carne asada taco. So many flavors. I mean, like, no nonsense. Delicious. A little messy. That's the one I'm trying next. That is the stomach. The meat itself is seasoned just right. This is the tripe, stomach taco. Let's see what it is. I made a kind of a mess again, overstuffing it, but let's give it a shot. Wow, the tripe is cooked perfectly. I mean, tripe, if you've made it before, you either do it right or you don't. You don't want it to have that nasty flavor or taste. This does not. It's just a delicious tripe flavor with the other ingredients. Mandos, by the way, has been here since, I think, 1990, around that time. So he's not a new kid on the block. Well, I'm not exaggerating when I say those are the best tacos, literally by far, that I've ever eaten before. Not a surprise, but stay tuned for more of Puerto Vallarta. Hi. Winnie Pooh. Hello everybody, here we are still in Puerto Vallarta. It's the morning before lunch, well before lunch. We are at Alex's Tacos de Birria. It's not lunch yet, but we're gonna have some birria tacos that are supposed to be out of this world from what I hear, and everything I've eaten in Vallarta so far has been exceptionally exceptional. Let's see how it goes. When the food comes, I'll give you a review. Gracias. This is what they call an agua fresca, which is basically a watered down passion fruit. Little sugar added as well, I think. This passion fruit ain't sweet. So, very delicious, very refreshing though. Aptly named agua fresca.
Look at those birrias.
Gracias.
That's what the birria is supposed to look.
Oh my God, these are
Gracias.
some roll. Oh, they're crispy as they should be. We learned that yesterday.
This one's my favorite. That's got like cucumber and a little
Onion.
jalapeno and onion.
That looks so good.
Yeah, actually that looks more tasty. This reminds me of like the Chinese chili oil. Here we are with our tacos birrias.
Gracias.
As we learned yesterday, you notice the crispy, as it should be. And I'm going to dress mine up because no one wants a taco birria that's desnudo. That means naked. And this is a blend, I believe, of cucumber, jalapeno. There's some onion, either intentional or unintentional in there. Oh yeah, intentional. Garlic maybe. We'll find out. They're still hot off the grill. Oh, delicious. And that salsa verde, not very picante, not very spicy, but delicious the way it complements the meat. I loved how he got the crunch of the tortillas. The crispiness, I should say. As usual, perfectly seasoned, not over seasoned, not over salty at all. Excellent. I can see why people are here so early, 2 hours before lunchtime, having tacos. Hello everybody, it is I, the Chubby Gourmet, once again. We are here in beautiful Boca de Tomatlan, about 20 kilometers, I'd say, from the city of Puerto Vallarta. And what we're here for specifically, besides the beautiful scenery, is to enjoy some fresh caught red snapper and prepared for us right here on the beach. So another awesome experience here in Mexico. So come and join me, man, let's do it.
Este es un pescado de orden, salen 150 pesos. Y este es mucho más grande, este salen 230 pesos.
We just ordered 2 little red snappers. One is about a little shy of 8 ounces, and the other's even smaller than that, about 3/4 of that size. That should be enough for a lunch size meal with some rice and beans to go along with it. They did not have much bigger fish than that, but that's fine. For the 3 of us, that should suffice. And we asked it also not to be fried, but to throw it on the grill. I think it'll be tastier that way. It is done. Ta-da! Gracias, mi amigo. Mi amigo nuevo.
De nada. Claro.
What's going on?
You are so cute.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Are you smiling?
That is fresh, obviously. It reminds me of the albacore I was just telling you about that I caught and they prepared right there for you. Well, different species, same idea.
Exactly.
You just cannot beat that fresh fish taste.
Fresh caught today. Pico. Boom.
Oh, the texture and the fresh flavor is too much. Just a little salt and pepper, maybe not even some pepper, just a little salt. That's all you need.
It's really good.
Fresh fish de la playa.
That is so good.
Sorry.
Ooh, she loves it.
Well, everybody, we're at the end of our tour of Puerto Vallarta, and we had food non-stop. Everything was great, whether here in Boca, whether it's in the center of the city, whether it was at Chef Christopher's house, everything was fabulous. So we ate very well, very enjoyable trip. And we've got more trips coming up. We've got some great cooking episodes. We haven't forgotten about you. We are going to be cooking again very, very soon. So do stay tuned. If you like this episode, click the like, and don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell so you get updated whenever we set a new upload. So stay tuned, and until next time, hasta lasagna.